I don't know why it keeps giving me a blank question here. Okay, so this is number 3. I don't really see the question here. What is 0.2 into a fraction? Okay, so that's number 3. So what is 0.2 as a fraction? So again, what we can do is we are simply just changing a fraction to a decimal, right? So it's very, very easy, just like the first problem here. So we're given 0.2. And as you can see, this here is the whole number. In this case, the whole number part is 0. So we don't care about, we won't get a mixed fraction in this case because the whole number part is 0. But we have this guy here is in the tens digit again. So here is the tens digit. So what we can do is we can actually write down our fraction here, right? And a fraction is simply just the numerator is whatever is in the decimal. So this here is 2 divided by whatever, which place it's in. In this case, it's in the tens digit. So 2 over 10. And given 2 over 10, what we can do is we can easily reduce this fraction, right? So we're going to reduce this. I see that 2 and 10, the greatest common factor is 2. So we can divide this by 2 and divide this by 2. And we got 2 divided by 2 is 1. 10 divided by 2 here is 5. So our answer here is 1 over 5. So 0.2 is 1 over 5 as a fraction. So 0.2 is 1/5 as a fraction. And that's going to be the correct answer for this problem. So it says here, step conversion of 0.2 as a fraction. So 0.2 equals 2/10, and then they reduce to lowest terms, which is 1 over 5. So the solution here is correct.